entertaining TV
not
here.
here today.
Yeah, I am here. We're gonna do a dual video, so we're gonna be in and out. So this is what she always does. She always releases these visas. So go ahead. I'll let you take over.
Today I released a visa and I received it. Well, I released it yesterday, and I received it today. A visa from an app called Pocket Flip. And as you can see, I got approved for this visa, and I'm trying to use it. So I just wanted to show you guys proof that I received the visa. So I'm going to click Use Gift Card. And nothing happens. I'm going to go to Profile. And then it's going to say Accepted. And this pops up. And I copy this link here. And it's copied, you can see. And then you go to Redeem. Then boom. You can either have a virtual visa or you can have a physical visa, which you have to wait for 7 to 10 business days. And in Canada it says 10 to 15. So, and also it takes a fee. If you see that, you won't get $10. You'll get $7 on a physical visa. A virtual visa, you only can buy stuff like online or around our house. We have Target where you can order stuff online. So I'm going to do virtual visa, and then I'm going to put in my information. I'm not going to put all my information in here because then everybody will see it. But I just wanted to show you guys this proof before I do confirm my virtual visa.
So the way that we actually got it was same thing as these other apps and websites. We just downloaded a bunch of stuff and invited friends, and it's easy. And the coins on the right side converted over to here, which I have 3,100 right now. And these are the rewards. If you find an interesting reward that you want to grind for, and it's all for free, you can go ahead and do so. They have Visa, Amazon, Nintendo, gift cards, iTunes, Google Play, and Xbox. Very simple and very easy, guys. You can find this in a link in the description below. But right here is everything you can do. Super simple, super easy. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.